Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo and 1969 to 72 Chevelle and El Camino outside rectangular mirrors by Resto Parts, original parts group's in-house brand. Our outside mirrors feature a precision tooled base that's an identical recreation of the factory originals. Each mirror is made from die-cast zinc and finished with a triple chrome plating that will last for years to come. In addition, all of our mirrors include a premium mounting kit, which comes with the mounting bracket, gasket, and screws at no additional charge. Compared to other mirrors offered on the market, ours are superior in many ways. For example, the top of the base features the correct bump or rib line, which the competitor cheaper versions do not. Ours also has the correct angled arch on the arm that holds the mirror, while the others are significantly different. The competitor's base is wider to accommodate for cheaper and thinner metal. The dimple on the back of the bullet style socket is also correct. We also engineered a strong case-hardened die-cast zinc end ball to ensure longevity and quality and to protect against mirror droop, which is a common problem with mirrors found elsewhere. We've sold these to thousands of satisfied customers for years now. Our customer photos speak for themselves. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.